It begins here, under the golden sun of the valley. Nature's ruby treasure, selected for their size, color, and sugar content. Only the finest fruits are chosen for harvest.
Skilled hands ensure each fruit is picked at the perfect moment of ripeness, preventing damage to the delicate areoles inside. Once harvested, time is of the essence. The fruit is immediately transported to our processing facility to lock in freshness.
Here, traditional farming meets state-of-the-art technology. Welcome to the heart of the operation.
Advanced optical sensors scan each fruit 360 degrees, analyzing skin quality, size, and weight in milliseconds. Any fruit that doesn't meet our strict standards is instantly rejected from the line by precision air jets.
Robotic arms gently align the fruit, ensuring the calyx is perfectly positioned for the cutting phase.
Now aligned, the pomegranates are ready for the most delicate part of the process: extraction.
A laser profiling system maps the unique shape of every single pomegranate to calculate the exact cutting depth. The blade scores only the skin, leaving the bitter inner membrane untouched. Hydraulic grippers secure the fruit, preparing to pull it apart without crushing the seeds. The fruit is gently pulled open, revealing the treasure inside. Hundreds of ruby red areoles. Specialized paddles tap the skin at a precise frequency to dislodge the seeds. A cascade of rubies falls to the collection belt below, separated from the bitter peel. In the flotation tank, nature does the sorting. The heavy areoles sink, while the lightweight membrane floats to the top and is skimmed away. A vibrating wash table gives the areoles a final rinse, removing any remaining residue. Another round of optical sorting detects and removes any areoles that aren't the perfect shade of ruby red.
Technology is incredible, but the human eye is the final guarantee of perfection.
Clean, sorted, and perfect. These gems are now ready to be transformed into liquid gold. The areoles enter the pneumatic press. Here, gentleness is key to avoiding bitter tannins from the seed kernels. A rubber membrane inflates, gently pressing the fruit against the cylinder walls. It's a cold extraction, preserving every nutrient. The juice flows freely, rich, dark, and packed with antioxidants. Captured immediately, the raw juice is rushed to the filtration stage before oxidation can set in.
Nothing goes to waste. The dry seeds and skins are collected and repurposed for animal feed or cosmetics.
High-speed centrifuges spin at 4,000 RPM, forcing heavier sediment out of the liquid through sheer G-force.
Microfiltration through ceramic membranes polishes the juice, removing even the finest haze without using heat.
The result is a brilliant, jewel-toned nectar. Pure, clarified pomegranate juice.
The juice is held in chilled tanks at just 2 degrees Celsius, awaiting the bottling line. Before bottling, one final sample is tested for acidity, sugar levels, and purity. Meanwhile, the packaging begins its life. These small plastic preforms are about to be transformed.
Infrared lamps heat the plastic to exactly 100 degrees Celsius, making it soft and malleable. In a fraction of a second, high-pressure air blasts the soft plastic into the signature bottle shape.
The new, sterile bottles glide on a cushion of air, untouched by human hands, heading for the filler. Computer vision verifies every bottle is perfect before a single drop of juice is added.
The bottles enter the rotary filler, synchronized perfectly to the speed of the injection nozzles. Flash pasteurized juice fills each vessel. The temperature is strictly controlled to maintain flavor and safety. Sensors verify the fill level to within a single millimeter. Consistency is key.
The caps are applied with precise torque, hermetically sealing the freshness inside.
Sealed and safe, the bottles now march toward the labeling station.
Before labeling, high-velocity air knives blast away every drop of moisture to ensure perfect adhesion.
The sleever applies branding at a staggering rate of 600 bottles per minute.
A brief journey through a steam tunnel shrinks the label, contouring it perfectly to the bottle's shape. Laser coaters etch the time, date, and batch number, a permanent passport for tracking quality.
Cameras check the label position and print quality. Only the flawless proceed to packaging. The stream of bottles divides, accumulating to be grouped into cases. Simultaneously, corrugated cardboard sheets are folded into sturdy trays. Robotic arms gently place 24 bottles into each case, ready for wrapping. A layer of recycled film secures the pack, creating a stable unit for transport. Emerging from the heat tunnel, the cases are tight, secure, and ready for the palletizer. To ensure stack stability, cases are rotated to form an interlocking bricklayers pattern. Row by row, a full layer is assembled, waiting for the robotic arm.
The heavy-duty palletizer lifts an entire layer, weighing over 100 kilograms, with effortless precision. Slip sheets are added between layers to distribute weight and prevent crushing during transit. Finally, the stack is wrapped in tensioned film, locking the cases together for the long journey ahead.
A unique SSCC license plate is applied, allowing us to track this specific pallet anywhere in the world. No human drivers here. Automated guided vehicles, or AGVs, take over the heavy lifting. Guided by lasers and magnetic floor tape, they navigate the facility with millimeter accuracy. They communicate with a central server to optimize traffic flow, working 24/7 without fatigue. When power runs low, they autonomously dock to recharge, ensuring continuous operation. Welcome to the High Bay Warehouse, a dark, silent cathedral capable of holding 50,000 pallets. Automated stacker cranes fly up and down the aisles at speeds of 5 meters per second. Every slot is mapped in the digital inventory. The system knows exactly where this specific batch is stored.
The entire facility is climate controlled. Keeping the juice chilled preserves its color and nutritional value for months.
When an order comes in, the system instantly locates the oldest stock first, ensuring rotation efficiency.
For retail distribution, secondary packaging is essential. High-speed Delta robots pack the bottles into corrugated cartons.
Microjets verify the glue temperature and application pattern to guarantee a secure seal. Mechanical plows fold the flaps instantly, and compression rollers bond the adhesive in seconds. A dynamic checkweigher weighs every case. If a box is missing even a single bottle, it is instantly rejected.
Batch tracking data is printed directly onto the carton, ensuring full traceability from orchard to shelf.
Miles of conveyor belts act as the facility's arteries, transporting finished goods to the palletizing hall. Gravity does the work here, gently lowering the cases to the palletizing floor without using energy. Traffic control sensors manage the flow, merging multiple production lines into a single stream for palletizing.
This buffer zone allows the production line to keep running, even if the palletizer pauses for a wrap changes.
The process starts at the base. A robotic dispenser feeds a fresh wooden pallet into the cell every 45 seconds.
Welcome to the palletizing hall. Here, heavy lifting robots perform a synchronized dance of efficiency.
The robots calculate the optimal stacking pattern to maximize stability and truck space. Engineers monitor the efficiency in real time, tweaking trajectories to shave milliseconds off the cycle time. A fully loaded pallet, weighing nearly a ton, exits the cell and heads for the wrapper.
The high-speed ring wrapper secures the load from top to bottom in under 30 seconds. Leaving the production floor, the juice enters the dark store, a fully automated high bay warehouse.
Here, automated storage and retrieval cranes take over, handling loads with robotic precision. The crane ascends at 3 meters per second, reaching the highest shelf in moments.
Every pallet has a dedicated address. The system optimizes storage density based on turnover rates.
While the juice rests in the dark, the digital inventory tracks its age and readiness for shipping. Before any batch is released, samples undergo rigorous testing in our on-site laboratory.
Chemists verify the acidity and pH balance, ensuring the flavor profile remains perfectly consistent.
Sugar content, measured in bricks, determines the natural sweetness without any additives. Microbiological cultures confirm the product is sterile and safe for long-term shelf stability.
With the lab's seal of approval, the inventory system unlocks the batch for distribution. When an order is received, the warehouse springs to life. Cranes retrieve the specific pallets needed for shipment.
High-speed loop conveyors transport the goods from storage to the shipping docks in minutes. At the marshalling area, skilled operators stage the cargo according to the loading plan.
Orders are pre-staged in lanes, double-checked against the shipping manifest to prevent errors.
The transport fleet arrives. It's time for the final leg of the journey.
Loading is a game of Tetris. Operators maximize the payload while ensuring weight is evenly distributed over the axles.
Inflatable airbags lock the cargo in place, preventing shifting during the miles ahead.
Once loaded, the doors are sealed. This seal will not be broken until the truck reaches the distribution center. With 24 tons of premium juice on board, the truck leaves the facility.
Leaving the valley, the shipment joins the global supply chain network.
Refrigerated transport ensures the cold chain remains unbroken, maintaining that critical 4-degree temperature. Advanced telematics monitor both the truck's performance and the cargo's temperature in real time. Day turns to night, but the journey continues. Freshness waits for no one.
Approaching the regional distribution hub, the cargo is just hours away from the shelves.
The destination, a centralized hub that serves hundreds of supermarkets across the region. The seal is broken and the dock plate connects. The unloading sprint begins. Electric pallet jacks unload the trailer in a fraction of the time it took to load it. Every pallet is scanned into the local inventory system, instantly updating stock levels.
High-speed sorters split the bulk shipment, routing individual cases to lanes dedicated to specific store locations. Orders are picked and consolidated. Your pomegranate juice is now just one part of a grocery store's daily delivery. The final leg is the last mile. Smaller delivery trucks navigate the urban jungle to reach local retailers.
Fresh deliveries arrive daily, ensuring the stock is always replenished.
From the truck to the storeroom, The cold chain is maintained until the very last moment. The cases are stored in walk-in coolers, waiting for the night crew to stock the shelves. Finally, the bottles are freed from their protective packaging. Carefully arranged by date, the freshest juice is placed ready for the morning rush. A wall of ruby red. The packaging design we saw earlier now shines under the retail lights. Amidst thousands of products, the vibrant color catches the eye. For the health-conscious consumer, the choice is clear. From the tree to the basket, the industrial journey is complete.
But the most important part of the story happens here, at home.
The seal breaks, releasing the aroma of 1,000 sun-ripened arils. Rich, vibrant, and pure. No added sugar, no concentrates, just fruit.
A taste of the orchard, captured in a bottle.
From the soil to your soul, this is the journey of premium pomegranate juice.
The cycle doesn't end here. Our packaging is 100% recyclable, ready to be born again.
Even the fruit waste returns to the earth, enriching the soil for the next harvest. Enjoyed in over 50 countries, bringing vitality to millions every day.
While the world sleeps, the facility hums on, dedicated to perfection. Back where it all began, the trees rest, gathering strength for the next season.
Nature's cycle continues. Pure, potent, perfect.
Premium pomegranate juice, the essence of life.